everybody, Ty from Ty's Auto Image and Sound. I'm going to do a quick tint on a Kia Seltos 2022. Just doing the two front doors here, as you can see. Going to cut those out. Now I'm using approximately 33. So we're just going to say 40. Take it to the cutting board and cut it down. And by cutting board, I mean glass. Sorry for the mess. I am doing a bunch of renovations. I'm a one-man show, so I renovate, I work. That's one side cut out. Let's cut the next side out. I'm just weeding away the excess, so I don't need to have any perfect cuts. Okay, let's get to the car and prep it. It is December 23rd, 2022. Festivus, happy Festivus, everyone. Our first snowfall, technically, of the year. Just before Christmas. So yeah, the car's a little wet, no worries. Perfect, let's do the same thing to the driver's side. Now this side's got a sticker we're gonna have to remove. Now this is just your roadside assistance, so if anything we could always leave that. For the most part, that number doesn't really help you. Actually, no, wait, it's roadside assistance, so it does help you. Some of those stickers that are on here for security purposes, those do not help you. Okay, all that's prepped up. Let's grab our piece of the tint and shrink it. Start off with the passenger side. Perfect. Now, if you've seen some other previous videos, I have a special way of shrinking the tint. And if you haven't before, well, this will be a treat. If you can hear that in the background, that's my toilet. Getting a new toilet in the new year, so gotta deal with that sound for a little bit. You're probably gonna hear it again in another 5 minutes. So we'll go ahead and shrink the other side here. Okay, that's ready. All right, so we gotta shrink out these fingers. The traditional way is to, do that, bring it down. My method is just and you're done. Took a matter of seconds. Let's go to the other side and do the same thing. Gotta make sure it's all dry. If you do this while it's wet, it doesn't really work properly. Perfect. I want the tint to smile back at you. All right. Perfect. It's about time I start changing the plotter blade. As you can see, that top side didn't come off, but it came off now. So we'll start on the passenger side. We'll do the driver's side for a moment. That one came off perfectly. Okay, we're ready to install. But not before I mop the floor. The struggles of not having a drain. Okay, so let's get this installed now. All right, so we're just squeegeeing all the excess water away, cleaning the window off. Perfect. Just clean off the top one more time. Okay. Wash out the sides. Peel back the liner. I got to get it down to about there. Carefully grab it. I like to bring it out like that. Fold it backwards. And then just get it right into place. Look at that, perfect. I'm using the core software from Eastman Companies. I believe it's from Eastman Companies, but regardless of where it's from, it does a fantastic job. Look at that, that's perfect. Let's get my big red machine here and squeegee it all down. As you see, I like to get a micro finish there. Get as close as possible to the edge. Okay, I just like to double check my finger, make sure nothing's gonna peel, and nothing's peeling. Perfect. Take my hard squeegee, my blue conqueror, as we call it, and we're just gonna bring that up. Check that one more time, and yeah, it's good to go. There, number 2 for the toilet. All right. Put the vehicle on. Oh, actually something happened. Let's get rid of that first. Good thing we caught that before something happened. There we go. Much better. Okay, that's all set up. Now let's put the window up. Okay. Fold that back a little bit. All right. Clean the bottom there. Spray it down. Peel back the excess. If you've seen these videos before, you know exactly what I'm doing. So that tucks right underneath the gasket perfectly. There we go. Okay. Give it a hard squeegee with the big red machine. Okay. All right. That's squeegee number 2. Let's give it one last squeegee. Okay. Looks good. Perfect. Let's get the blue Titan and just get the edges real quick. And now this is a little thick, so I like to just do the edges with that. Perfect. And then I have to use my yellow one, which is a little thinner at the top, to get right into these bottom edges here. Perfect. The thin part lets me get in, the thick part lets me squeegee out. Perfect. And I'll just go over that with my Platinum Easy Reach, just to ensure all is good. But okay, that is complete. Turn off the car. All right, that's one window complete. Or I'll come back to clean it up afterwards. In the meantime, we get this side finished. So the same thing we did before. Clean the window. Clear out the edges one last time. Okay, ready to go. All right, carefully pick up the tint, fold it back, bring it inside the car. There's the line up real nice. There's round 3 with the toilet. Perfect, look at that fit. Fits like a glove. Okay, so the top here is good. Let's get the front here set up. Oh yeah, it's perfect right there. Maybe a little bit more. Yeah, right there. I like it right there. Let the big red machine squeegee out all the water. Perfect. All right. Gonna get the blue Titan. Gonna just hit those edges real quick. Perfect. Then this side, same thing. We're gonna bring it downward this time. Good enough for me. All right. Car back on. Lift up the windows. Don't need power anymore. Let's go ahead and squeegee the bottom of this one now. Same thing as before, just tucks right into the bottom there of the gasket. It's perfect. Okay, get my black Fusion. We're gonna do our first pass of the squeegee. All right, there's pass number 1. Let's get the big red machine and do pass number 2 and pass number 3. All right. Pass number 2. Am I still recording? I am still recording. Good. Got a GoPro strapped to my head, and sometimes it likes to turn off. And since I don't have third-person view, I can't see if it's on. I actually have to back away and take a look. But we're still good to go, and we are almost finished this Seltos anyways, so I'm getting ready to call it a day. We'll call it a job, I should say. Okay. The edge is done on that side. The edge is done on that side. And that's got those bottoms. Perfect. Let's wipe that down. Make sure the car is off. It is off. Turn off that to save some battery power. Take the keys out for safety purposes. But look at that, that's a great match. Let's just go around quickly, clean it up, double check the sides. I already see one spot here I have to heat shrink, or heat up I should say, but it's nothing at all. Okay, let's get my alcohol solution here. Now that's just water that dripped on the outside. Gonna get wiped up anyways. Look at that, perfect. Let's do that real quick. This is round 4 for the toilet. Can't wait to get that new toilet, because as you can tell, that's quite annoying. Looks good. Let's repeat this on the other side now. Now, so the same thing with this side. That's looking perfect. I love a nice perfect tint job. Who doesn't? All right, that's part's done. Get the heat gun, get that swarmed up. And let's check those edges. So like I told you, there's an edge on this side. Just close the door so you can get a better angle right here. In fact, you remember I lifted a little bit on this side. Okay, that's fine, because we'll fix this right now. You may be asking, why does this stuff happen? Sometimes when you're tucking it in, it kind of pulls back some air, but I mean, doesn't matter. Putting some heat on it and shrinking it out, all is good. Not only that, it's a bit cold out, so once things dry up in the end, this all goes away. In the summer, it would take like 24 hours. In the winter, a little bit longer. But you give it time, the window tint does its thing and it heals itself. Don't know if the camera's picking that up, that it's just getting squeegeed out. But if not, that's okay. And one little spot in the bottom here, which we will rectify. Perfect. Let's check this side here. Oh, there's one tiny little speck. Nothing to cry over, but I'm gonna remove it anyways. Perfect. Let's check the passenger side, make sure that's all good too. Oh, the passenger side looks great. Just the one speck over here. This is for when I get to fold it in. So it's natural that this is going to happen. And that's why you have your almighty heat gun here. Looks perfect. Okay, let's check that corner here. There's one little spot in that corner too. All right, perfect. I don't know if you were able to see that, but it popped right out. And that is it. We are done. 2022 Kia Seltos, tinted with SunTek Carbon 18. Perfect match to the rear, if you want to take a quick look here. And there's round 5 of the toilet. Well, regardless, it's a fantastic looking tint. I'm gonna call this job complete. For those of you watching, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, and follow to the channel. Help me grow as a small business. Everything you guys do for me, I always appreciate greatly. Thank you very much. So once again, thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you in the next video.